The record-shattering heatwave continued to spread and impact on daily life in many European countries today. Analysis by climate scientists from the World Weather Attribution group found it is the most severe heatwave ever recorded in the region and is unequivocally the result of climate change driven by the burning of fossil fuels.
The heatwave in Europe is worsening, with heat-related deaths and medical emergencies continuing to rise, and transport infrastructure in several countries under severe strain. There are reports of roads softening or buckling in Germany and railway tracks deforming in Austria. The focus of the extreme heat is shifting eastwards and southwards. After breaking records in France, the UK and Switzerland, the hottest conditions are now spreading into Germany, Austria, Italy, Poland and the Balkans, where temperatures above 40 degrees are expected in many areas. Climate experts say this is the most severe heat wave ever recorded in Europe. The World Weather Attribution scientists say June is now warming faster than any other month across Europe, and that temperatures like those experienced this week would have been virtually impossible just a few decades ago.
Similar heat waves in June would have been about 3.5 degrees cooler than this just 50 years ago. And in 2003, when there was that massive heat wave that everyone's aware of that resulted in such significant loss of life, similar heat waves would have been about 2 degrees cooler even then.
The scientists found that the likelihood of the daytime temperature peaks recorded across Europe this week has increased tenfold in the past 23 years, while the nighttime temperatures are now 100 times more likely.
We will probably find that this summer is one of the warmest summers we've ever had to date. But if we look into the future, we'll be looking back fondly at how cool it was. That is particularly troubling. Unless we have some major international governmental effort to try reduce fossil fuel emissions, we will see these temperatures again and again become the normality.
Heat waves are known to cause more deaths in Europe than all other natural hazards combined. More than 60,000 heat-related deaths occurred in Europe in 2022. Another 47,000 occurred in 2023. The scientists say that the health impacts of the current heatwave will be severe, although they are only just beginning to emerge. George Lee, RTE News.